Hi guys and welcome to this channel. In this video we are going to compare these four web technologies in details. By the end of this video you will understand what these four technologies are, what is the relationship between these four technologies, what are they used for, and much more. Now let us continue with the video. What is React.js? It is a pure JavaScript library, uses Node.js for bundling files. It is not Node.js, it uses Node.js libraries to bundle its components and its files. What is Next.js? Next.js supports JavaScript and also TypeScript. It is a framework built on top of React and Node.js. So it combined React.js and Node.js to create a complete framework. Then you have Node.js. Node.js is a cross-platform, open-source JavaScript runtime environment. Node.js is just an environment where you can use JavaScript outside the browser. Then you have Nest.js. Nest.js is a framework. It supports JavaScript and TypeScript. It is built on top of Node.js, mainly Express.js. Express.js is itself a web server for Node.js. So Nest.js provides an out-of-the-box application architecture which allows developers and teams to create highly testable, scalable, efficient, and easily maintainable applications. When you create a Nest.js application, it comes by default with a template ready to be extended, and you can use Nest.js CLI to generate components. Nest.js works like Angular. React.js is a front-end library, but Next.js is full stack. It is front-end and back-end. Node.js is by default just an environment, but it comes with libraries and supporters to create web server and perform server-side actions and tasks, and you can do the necessary stuff for backend technology. Nest.js is also a backend technology. React.js is used for creating and building user interface. It cannot do anything on the server side. Next.js is very interesting because it has support to be used only for user interface, and also it can be used for both server side and client side. So Node.js is only for the server side, creating web server, doing stuff with database, files, and creating APIs, not for the user interface. Very important, very important. And the reason I am making this video is that people think React.js has a server. You can host React.js on React.js. Many new front-end developers who start using React.js think that they can host React.js application just like that. But React.js is only a front-end library for creating user interface. It does not have a web server. It does not have the capabilities to create APIs, to work with databases, to do stuff on the server, on files, editing files, manipulating files, reading and writing, creating files and databases. So it is only client side. Then for doing stuff on the back end on your server, doing stuff with files, and for all other server side tasks and actions, you need a Node.js server. So to host your React application, you need a Node.js server. It can be Express.js, it can be Nest.js or Next.js. You can also host React application using Python, .NET, and any other server-side technologies. Next.js has web server because it uses Node.js. You have the option to use it also only for the user interface. So Node.js is server-side technology. It has a web server, and Nest.js also has a web server. Now I really hope that was clear, and if anything was not clear, and if you have still questions about React.js, Next.js, Node.js, or Nest.js, then you can write your question in the comments and I will answer as soon as possible. If it was helpful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and make sure to check my other videos. I have posted many useful, helpful courses and tutorials. Thanks for watching, liking, sharing, commenting. Take care, have beautiful times, and hopefully see you in the next video.